Right, today we're going to make our own style onion bhajis, and this is what you need. 4 ounces of besan flour, about half a teaspoon, a good half teaspoon of sea salt, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, half a teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, half a teaspoon of medium curry powder, about 2-inch or 5 centimetres of a green chilli, about 2 teaspoons of chopped coriander, and 2 good sized onions. And we're going to use a little bit of water to mix into our flour. Okay, so we'll show you what to do when we prepare this. Right, we measured out with 4 ounces of besan flour, which is basically chickpea flour, and we're going to sieve it so that it's fine into a bowl. So we'll get back to you when we've sifted it. Okay. Right, we've sifted the flour. We're going to have about a good half teaspoon of sea salt going in. We're going to mix it round, and then we're going to add some water to make a batter. So I'll show you what your batter should look like in a minute. Okay. And your water has got to be as cold as you can make it, really. Okay. Now we'll put a little bit in to start, and then we'll mix it. Okay. Yeah, we've used probably about 2 ounces of water, maybe just a bit less. And you want your batter like that, so you can just get it like that. Okay. And then we'll get back to you. Okay. Right, now we're going to throw in our onion. We're going to throw in a coriander, which is about a good 2 teaspoons at least. We've got a good half teaspoon of ground coriander going in. I can do it this way. We've got a good half teaspoon of turmeric going in. A good half teaspoon of cumin going in. Just a basic half teaspoon of curry powder going in. Wrong lid. And then we have our green chilli. So we're just going to chop that up. Let me get my scissors. There we go. I'm going to chop that in fine. We're not de-seeding it or anything, we're just going to whop it in. So if we go up to about 2-inch, cut it finely. Okay, and then we'll get back to you. Right, we've got everything in now, so we're going to mix it round so it's all blended in, and then we'll get back to you. Okay. Right, so we've mixed it all in so it's like that, and we're just going to cut down any bits of raw onion. Because what we're going to do is put them on a dessert spoon and pop them in a deep fat fryer in a minute. Okay, so we'll get back to you. Right, we've got a deep fat fryer here. We've got it on 180 degrees and the light's just gone off. But we are going to do the air fryer bit as well for the air fry people out there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is get a dessert spoon of this, and we're going to bob it in, and then we're going to drop it in. Okay, now then, shut that up. Give it a couple of minutes, we'll give it a shake, and we have it in about 5.5 to 6 minutes. Okay, and then we'll get back to you. After the 2 minutes, we've just loosened it, so we've got the spoon underneath and just lifted it off so it won't stick. Okay, then shove it back in. Okay, and then we'll get back to you. Yeah, we flipped it all halfway through. You can do these in batches, but we've just done a one so you can see that's ready now. It's been on about 6 minutes. So what we're going to do is just drain it and get it out on there, and then we'll get back to you. Okay. Right, so we've got it out now. Ideally you'd have 2 going at a time, and then we're going to tuck into it. Okay. Right, for the air fryer people, we've put 3 good ones in. We're going to try it for 6 minutes on 180, and we'll get back to you. Okay. Right, yeah, we did them in the air fryer in 3s, 8 to 10 minutes. We turned them on halfway, and they are good in that, but we preferred them in the deep fat, didn't we?
Certainly did. Yeah.
Yeah, so we've got them out of the deep fat fryer, and these go really well with a tzatziki dip, which is featured in the channel previously, and we'll put a link to that. Okay.